Welcome to Daily Insights, your guide to wisdom and knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Join me as we uncover the knowledge in everyday life, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary teachings. Daily Insights aims to spark your inspiration, ignite your curiosity, provide valuable insights, and explore life's most significant questions. Together, let us embark on the path of self discovery and personal growth as we discover the light of wisdom and knowledge around us. Today, as I speak to you under the banner of rising together from the pits of adversity, I stand with you not as a distant observer, but as a companion in life's tumultuous journey. In our journey through life, we encounter moments that test our resolve, shake our foundations, and sometimes bring us to our knees. These are not just hurdles, they can feel like mountains, insurmountable and unforgiving. I am having this conversation with you today because of conversations I've had with friends. Elder Joan T. Randall, Lady Jessica Nafula Masika, to name a few. And so I have some questions. What do we do when the weight of our world seems too heavy to bear? What happens when the pieces of our carefully constructed, crafted lives just shatter around us? The answer, my friends, is as ancient as time itself. Yet it remains the beacon of hope that guides us through the darkest nights. What do we do is we pick up the pieces, we dust off and get back on track. Yes, we pick up the pieces, we dust off, and we get back on track. Why, you might ask, should we embrace such an arduous task? Why gather the fragments of broken dreams and battered spirits? The answer, my friends, lies in the very essence of our lives, our humanity. It is because within each of us burns an indomitable spirit, a relentless force that refuses to be quenched, to be killed by adversity. I ask you today, what lies broken in your life? What dreams have been deferred? And what hopes have gone dark? Look around you. You're not alone. Look around you again. You're not alone. We are united in our struggles, bound by a shared resilience that defines the human experience. But how, you might wonder, do we begin the formidable task of rebuilding? The first step is to acknowledge and confront our pain with the courage of a warrior facing the battlefield. Only then can we truly see the pieces for what they are, not just remnants of what was, but the building blocks of what can be. And as we embark on this journey of reconstruction, let us not be daunted by the magnitude of our challenges. Let us instead draw strength from the smallest victories, the tiniest of triumphs. For it is in these moments that the path forward begins to illuminate one step at a time. My friends, the essence of our journey lies not in avoiding falls, but in our willingness to rise each time we stumble. It is in the act of rising that we are truly tested, and it is in this test that our character is forged. That is how we become who we are. Here is something for you. Today, I call upon each of you to embrace the challenge. Stand tall amidst the ruins, and with determination in your heart, begin the work of rebuilding. Do it with the knowledge that you're not alone, that every hand extended to help and every word spoken in encouragement weaves the fabric of a community that rises together. Let us move forward with a renewed sense of purpose, with the understanding that our best time, our greatest achievements lie not behind us in the shadow of our past failures, but that our best times are ahead of us. Our best achievements are ahead of us in the light of our unwavering resolve. My friends, let us pick up the pieces. Let us dust off and get back on track. For in our collective strength lies the promise of a brighter tomorrow, a world rebuilt from the ashes of our trials, a testament to the enduring spirit of who we are. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.